Hello everyone, how's it going? If your answer is always just I'm fine, then my friend, it's time for a level up. In today's video, we are going to ditch the boring and learn 20 exciting, funny, and smart ways to say I am fine, just like native speakers do. Whether you are feeling fantastic, average, I have got the perfect reply for every mood and moment. Ready to surprise your friends and sound super fluent? Let's go. First one is not bad. It means you are okay, neither very happy nor very sad. Okay, use when someone asks you how you are doing, and you are doing all right, just not amazing. Example, how's your day going? How's your day going? You, not bad, just a regular day. Okay, you can use it like this. Not bad, just a regular day. Okay, second one is good enough. Now what it means? It means things are acceptable, manageable. Use when you are handling everything okay but not feeling great. Example देखिए. Colleague, how's the project going? You, good enough. It is coming along slowly. ठीक है, इस तरीके से आप इसे यूज कर सकते हैं. Absolutely wonderful. It means you are feeling excellent. You are truly happy or something good has happened to you. Like, teacher, how are you feeling after the award? You, absolutely wonderful. I am feeling absolutely wonderful. You can reply like this. I have been better. I have been better. You can use it like if you are not feeling great, you are a little down but don't want to complain much, then you can use it like friend. Hey, how are you? You. I have been better. It's been a rough week. Negative way to say you are not feeling your best today emotionally, physically, or mentally. It hints that you have had better days, but you are not openly complaining. Okay, you can use it like this. Polite, honest, and subtle. Shows that you are struggling a little without sounding dramatic. Often used when you are tired, sick, stressed, or not in a good mood. You can use it when someone asks how you are and you are not okay but don't want to share full detail. In casual or semi-formal situations, to express that you are not doing well without being rude or overly emotional. Okay. Next one is armed and ready. Now what it means? Armed and ready. It means you are full of energy and ready to face challenges. Use when you are motivated, especially before a task or event. Example, boss, ready for the meeting? You, armed and ready. Okay, you can use it like this. So far, so good. It means things are going well till now. Use when you have started something and it is going fine. Example, coworker, how's the new job? You, so far, so good. So far, so good means everything is going well up to this point. You use it when something has started well but is still in progress. So the final result is not known yet. Okay, natural to positive one, calm, hopeful. It shows things are okay for now. You can use it when you are in the middle of a task, project, or journey and things are going well so far. Examples in conversation: Friend, how's your recovery after the surgery? You, so far so good. The pain is less now. For any another example, for trip or journey: Family, how's your road trip going? You, so far so good. Everything is fine till now. सो फार सो गुड का मतलब है अब तक सब ठीक चल रहा है। ठीक है, जैसे कि आपने कोई काम शुरू किया और अब तक उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं आई है, लेकिन आप ये दावा भी नहीं कर सकते कि अंत तक सब कुछ ठीक ही रहेगा, तो आप इसको यूज कर सकते हैं, सो फार सो गुड। नेक्स्ट वन इज कांट कंप्लेन। नाउ व्हाट इट मीन्स? दिस फ्रेज मीन्स दैट एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग ओके, not perfect, but there is nothing major to be upset about. You are content or satisfied with how things are going. Neutral to slightly positive. It shows modesty. Can be used when life is not perfect but manageable. Like when someone asks, how are you? And you want to sound relaxed or polite to keep things light without over explaining. Okay? When you are not feeling great but still thankful. Example: Friend, hey, long time. How's life? You, well, can't complain, same old, same old. You can use this way. Wondering how you are means you shift the focus to the other person instead of talking about yourself. When to use: you want to be polite or avoid the question. Example: how are you? You, wondering how you are. You go first so we can compare. You go first so we can compare means a playful or funny way to delay answering. With friends or in a casual mood: hey, how's life treating you? You can say, you go first so we can compare. Perfect for casual conversation. Okay. Fit as fiddle. It means very healthy and energetic. When you are in a very good physical or mental state, then you can use it like coach, are you ready to play? You means you are in excellent health both physically and mentally. It is an old fashioned yet fun idiom used to describe someone who is energetic, healthy, and strong, positive, and cheerful. It means full of energy, doing great, in great shape, healthy and strong. मतलब बिल्कुल तंदुरुस्त और फिट। यह वाक्य आप तब बोल सकते हैं जब आप खुद को बहुत अच्छा, एक्टिव और स्वस्थ महसूस कर रहे हो। ठीक है, हेल्दी फील कर रहे हो। जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल: तुम तो बीमार थे ना, अब कैसे हो? अब तो मैं बिल्कुल फिट एज अ फिडल, फिट एज अ फिडल एंड रेडी टू रॉक। Happy and content. You can use it when you are mentally or emotionally stable. Like example: Friend, how are you feeling today? You, happy and content. Way better than I deserve. Way better than I deserve. It means humble response showing gratitude. Use when someone compliments you or ask kindly, how's everything going? You, better than, way better than I deserve. Okay? मतलब यह वाक्य विनम्रता और ग्रेटिट्यूड दिखाने के लिए बोला जाता है कि जितना मतलब डिजर्व करता हूँ, कि मैं जितना डिजर्व करता हूँ उससे कई ज्यादा अच्छा चल रहा है। ठीक है, मतलब आप अपने जीवन से संतुष्ट हैं और इसे लेकर थैंकफुल हैं। कैसा चल रहा है सब? वे बेटर देन आई डिजर्व, भगवान की कृपा है। ओके, यू कैन यूज इट लाइक दिस। You can try this heartfelt and humble reply, way better than I deserve, to show gratitude and makes you sound thoughtful, natural, and fluent. Next one is much better now that you are with me. A sweet and friendly response used when you are with someone you like or love. For example, how are you? Much better now that you are with me. Sentence means I'm feeling a lot better because you are here with me now. It is an emotionally warm and expressive sentence that shows someone's presence, makes you feel good, happy, relieved, and comforted. Okay? Emotional and affectionate. Example: Child, Mama, you were gone so long. Mom, I'm here now, baby. Child, I'm much better now that you are with me. Everything feels better when you are with me, Mom. Next one is could be better than okay, meaning you are feeling alright but not too great. You can use it when to say cool and casual. Like, friend, you okay? You could be better than okay. I'm doing alright. It means you are okay, not struggling. Use when things are just normal. Example: never. How's everything? You, I'm doing alright. You can use it like it. Not too shabby. Not too shabby or funny when you want to sound cool or humorous. How was your weekend? Not too shabby. It is humorous way to say something is pretty good or better than expected. It is casual, playful expression. Informal, light-hearted. Often used to understate how good something actually is. When you want to sound cool, confident, or casual with friends, co-workers, or in informal chats, you can use it to describe your mood, situation, or performance. You can use it in casual chat like, friend, how was your weekend trip? You, not too shabby. I really enjoy the mountains. I'm pretty good. Means you are doing well, you feel confident and calm. Example: friend, you look fresh today. You, I'm pretty good. Then you can use it, I'm pretty good. Well, can't complain. When life is smooth enough, you are well, can't complain. This phrase means everything is okay, not perfect, but nothing bad enough to complain about. It shows you are content or satisfied, even if life isn't 100% perfect. Okay, it is polite, modest way of saying I'm doing fine. There is nothing to really complain about. Okay, you can use it if you want to sound humble, mature, or grounded. You can use it for daily greetings like friend, hey, how's everything going? You, well, can't complain, just the usual stuff. ना बहुत अच्छा और ना ही बहुत बुरा, ठीक है? सब बढ़िया. This phrase means I'm doing okay, better than some people, but not as well as others. It is balanced, thoughtful, and slightly humorous way to describe your situation. You are not bragging and you are not complaining either. You can use it in friendly, informal conversations when you are feeling okay, not amazing, not bad. Like, friend, how's life treating you? You better than some, not as good as others. You know how it goes, trying to keep up. The last one is peachy. This one is short, playful, and has multiple tones depending on how you say it. I'm just peachy means everything is going great, smooth, or just fine. This word comes from the idea that peaches are soft, sweet, and pleasant. So when things are peachy, they feel nice. Okay, positive or cheerful. You can use it positively when your day is going well in a light-hearted or cheerful tone. Or you can also use it in sarcastically when things are not going well, but you say peachy to be ironic or funny. Example, friend, how's your Sunday going? You, oh, peachy, just a lazy breakfast and now Vin's watching my favorite show. Over the moon. One of the most charming way to say I am very happy. Over the moon means extremely happy, delighted, or very excited about something. It is used when something really wonderful has happened, something that makes you feel like you are floating with happiness, then you can use it. Over the moon. Okay? Strongly positive and joyful. So it shows a high level of happiness or excitement. Used in both spoken and written English. People often used to express personal achievements or good news. When something amazing or special happens, like you win something, you get a job or promotion, someone you love says yes, a big dream comes true. Use it in both casual and formal conversations to express pure joy. Let me give you an example. Personal news. Friend, you look so happy. What happened? You, I cracked the exam. I'm over the moon. You can use it like this. So the next time someone asks, how are you? Don't just say I'm fine. Surprise them with confident, smiley, and try one of these fluent phrases. I am over the moon. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real, relatable English content every week. Keep learning and keep growing. See you in the next video. Until then, stay peachy and keep smiling.